Alrighty, so electrical. I got several plugs here that we've added into a circuit. It's going to be for a 4-way sub box. Put in here, going to another sub box outside for 30 amp. I got two 22, right here. I got two 20s and two 15s. I'm going to have two 20s going to my heater and going to my air conditioner, and the two 15s will be going to the outlets, the holes, as they say. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do. So, and we'll show you how to put in that box and jump the wire across and what gauge wire to use. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are again, doing the sub panel box. Got our jumper cable set up. We got it's gonna put a 1-inch one for the big leads coming in, and a smaller one for the lead going out to the 30 amp box to plug in, and then it's going to be set up upside down so I can have the wire going downwards and these going into it straight from the wall, so it'll be alright. Alright, now I just got to figure out a way to ground this thing because there's no ground bar on this one, so gotta have to make my own. So, alright, let's punch some holes in the top here for the, whatever you want to call those, like installation bushings, cable connectors, there they go. Alright. Alright, so I ended up just going with the import. Instead of going from the top, I'll put a cap on it to cover it, but damn it, I should have thought about this much further. I should have thought about this much more thorough. But there it is. Now it's going to mount it to the wall and put our lower one in. In. Let's go check it out and see if it's working. Alrighty, it's dark in here, so let's have some light. Oh goodness. Put that on the GoPro. Alright, let's test it out. One step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Alright, good, because we didn't have the breaker switched. So, If I flip this one right here, it should come on. Dun, 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 dun. RV is powered. Power is RV. Check them all. That works. Some of them don't have them, so I can't go and. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, work. Oh yeah, they're all working. Test of faith. Oh my goodness, check these out. Heck yeah. If this one works, they all work. They all work. Holy kitten caboodle. I can't believe we got it. That shit works. Oh yeah. This is groovy shit. Now we got power in here. So sweet.